Welcome to Fluency Series 15. In this edition of the Fluency Series, I keep things very crisp, very breezy, and very everyday. Let's begin with the first sentence that reads, इतनी जल्दी क्या है? What's the rush? Second one, मुझे थोड़ा सा time लगेगा. It'll take me a little while. Or if it's a shorter duration, you could also use, I'll need a minute. Third one, यहाँ से market कितना दूर है? How far is the market from here? Fourth one, थोड़ी देर वेट कर लोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? What's the harm in waiting a bit? Or what's the big deal if you wait a bit? Fifth one, थोड़ी चीनी कम है. It's not sweet enough, or it could use a bit more sugar, or it's a bit light on sugar, or very crisply, needs a little more sugar. Sixth one, मैंने कहा था ना पर तुम सुनते कहाँ हो? I told you, didn't I? But you never listen. Or a more agitated one, I told you, didn't I? But do you ever listen? Then on to the seventh one, घर कब आना है? When are you getting home? Eighth one, मेरी पूरी कोशिश रहेगी कि मैं टाइम पर पहुंचूं, पर हो सकता है ट्रैफिक मुझे लेट करा दे. I'll do my best to reach on time, but traffic might hold me up or traffic might slow me down. Ninth one, इतना गुस्सा क्यों कर रहे हो? ऐसा क्या हो गया? Why are you so mad? What even happened? Or why are you so worked up? What even happened? 10th one, बस मैं पहुंच रही हूं और 5 मिनट. I'm almost there, just 5 more minutes. 11th one, लगता है जुकाम होने वाला है. Feels like I'm coming down with a cold. 12th one, मैं सोच रहा था आज खाना बाहर से मंगा लेते हैं, और क्यों ना हम आज बाहर से खाना मंगवा लें. I was thinking we could order in tonight. Or how about we just order in tonight? Or why don't we just order in tonight? 13th, क्या बनाया है आज? Or in other words, खाने में क्या है? What's for breakfast, lunch or dinner, whichever meal applies. Or very simply, what have you cooked or made today? 14th, इनमें से सबसे सस्ता कौन सा है? Which one's the cheapest among these? 15th, आज वो लोग मिलने आ रहे हैं. They're coming over today. 16th, तुम ऑफिस से घर कब आते हो? What time do you get home from work? 17th, शायद हम पहले मिले हैं. I think we've met before. Or perhaps we've met before. Or even, I feel like we've met before. 18th, इतना तो वो समझ ही जाएगा. He'll at least get that much. 19th, कहते कुछ हो, करते कुछ और हो. You say one thing but do another. 20th, मैं गाड़ी निकालता हूँ, तब तक तुम तैयार होकर नीचे आ जाओ. I'll get the car out, you get ready and come down in the meantime. Or a more casual and crisper one, I'll pull the car out,